Do you like tall ceiling and also a gated community and a luxury lifestyle here in Central Florida? This property that I'm gonna tour you is the best fit for you right now. Are you ready to see and own this one? Let's go! Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. My name is RJ Bautista, your favorite credible realtor here in Central Florida, specializing in new construction with LPT Realty. Today in this video, I'm super excited to show you this Esplanade at West Bay by Taylor Morrison, and this particular property and community itself is a luxury living. As you can see here that I'm showing you right now, this is the Palacio, which is just over 3,000 square footage, 3 to 4 bedroom and 2-car garage with a very luxury home inside and out living in this community. All right, so let me just tour you in this particular home. As soon as you come here, you will have this double door open, and also you will have like a 8-foot tall door, right? So as soon as you come here, you will see this wide, not just wide, super wide entrance. As you can see here, it's gonna be probably over 10 wide on this particular entrance. And also at the front, as soon as you come here, you will see the ceiling height here will be over 10 foot, especially on those areas that they have put extra height in there, right? But a minimum standard in this home is just over 10 foot, which is really good. I love high ceiling, as you know. And here is the first bathroom that you will see it here. You will have a quartz countertop here and a fully tiled shower area here, which is very good. And this is gonna be your first bedroom in the house, or in the front of your house. You will have plenty of windows here in the house, which you will have a plenty of natural light as well, as you can see it here. And the size of this bedroom is 14 by 12, and the ceiling height here is estimated over 10 foot, and you will have this double door closet, and you will have a plenty of space in this particular bedroom because this bedroom are really nice. And also you can fit here for queen size bed or a king size bed, whatever you choose. You still have plenty of space inside, because I've been here and I love the space of this one. And now we are heading here in the bonus room, or a flex room, or a den room. Okay, so they have like this bonus room or a flex room for you to use it. Either you can use this as your another guest room, I would say, or a bedroom for your guests, or you can use this as an office. As you can see it here, the size of this is 14 by 14. It's big enough to use whatever you want to do on this particular room, which is a very good one. And also what I love about this is this door that they have. You will have like a sliding door here, or a double sliding door to open and close this room, which is really good. And now we are heading to this laundry area and also the another bedroom. But before that, let me just show you this beautiful laundry area. As soon as you come here in the laundry area, you will have this extra space here to put your linen, and also your washer and dryer there, and also another cabinet or closet, and another sink there for you if you need to use this particular area. This is a very good one. And also this is gonna be your AC room. The AC that they are using here is a Linux brand, which is a very good brand. I really suggest that one. And this is also an access to your 2-car garage. As you can see it here, you will have golf cart there. In this community, just a bonus, yes, you can use a golf cart, which is really good. And now we are heading to this next bedroom, and this bedroom, the size of this one is 15 by 12, which is a pretty good size as well. And you will have the same ceiling height here, which is really good. And this one has an ensuite bathroom itself, and you will have the same setup of the other bathroom there, a quartz or white quartz countertop there, a fully tile shower area here, and this one with glass door, and it doesn't have a tub, which is really good because not everybody like a bathtub. However, this one doesn't have one, so you can choose and pick which one that you like to use in this particular home. And now this is gonna be your living area, or I would say the great room area. This is gonna be your dining area. As you can see it here, you can have a round table there with 6 chairs or up to 8 chairs, or maybe 10 chairs that you would like to put in there. And this is gonna be your kitchen area. Look how big and spacious is this. What I love about this is this gourmet kitchen, number one. Second is you will have a beautiful exhaust there, and also a tile backsplash and an electric gas stove here, which is very good. I love it. And you will have a center island here, which you will have a quartz gray countertop here, or you can have a white. You will have an option here. And this particular door is gonna be your closet. You will have a plenty of space for your closet to store your food as well. And in this particular area is another aisle or island on your kitchen. You will have a large single sink here, and also you will have another sink there for addition if you like to have one of them, right? And also in this particular area you will have this beautiful oven here, and also appliances, and also this wine bar or extra wine bar refrigerator, which you can use if you need to, which is a very good one. They have, or they put a lot of upgrades here. By the way, in this particular home site or this particular home, they do have a quick move-in home, but you can have an option to build it from the scratch, which will take you from 6 to 8 months or up to 12 months building this particular home. All right, and you can have whatever you want to build from the scratch. And this particular area here is gonna be your living area. As you can see it here, you will have a pretty big space living area here. They put in an L-shaped couch here, which is a very good one, or you can put like a 2 double 4-seater couch, whatever you like. And also they will put your television there. You can hang on the wall, and some extra space for you to use it as well. This particular home has a lot of space. If you like a huge room, a huge space to live, a luxury feeling, this home is the best fit for you, especially the location itself. I will tell you later why. And this particular area here is we are heading to the backyard or covered porch, or I would say a patio, a covered patio here. You will have plenty of space here that you can have. And also, as you can see it here, you will have a dirt kitchen outside of your patio. This particular dirty kitchen is an option. You can have this built as well if you like to, but for the quick move-in home, they have like different package, okay? And this particular area as well, as you can see it here, they will have like already a screen outside there if you like about this screen. And also what I love about this screen, you will have an access here to go outside if you have to. And also this swimming pool package with a jacuzzi, you can have this as a pool package or a swimming pool package. If you want to have a swimming pool in your home, this package is a very good deal for you right now. If you would like to have like this specific home that you are seeing right now, I don't remember if they have like a quick moving home as like this setup, all right? But if you want to know about that one, you can come to me or message me to all my social media. If you want to know more about this particular home that you are seeing, we can go ask the sales representative there to give us some more information, or I can represent you about this beautiful home and I will tour you in this community. I love this community itself. And now we are heading to this primary bedroom or a primary and suite master bedroom. Look at this. The size of this is 17 by 16, which has a huge windows here, and they have like a lot for natural light, right? So I love this setup of this one. You can have a couch there on the side, and you can have this a king size bed, a queen size bed, whatever you want to put it here. And also the ceiling height here has an extra 2 foot to 4 foot on the top of your 10-foot ceiling, which is a very good one in this particular area as well. What I love about this is this ensuite master bathroom. First of all, you will see you will have like a double door here as an entrance, and you will have this huge space for your bathroom that you can use it. And look at this shower area. This caught my eyes, right? This shower area here, you will have a glass like this in your shower area, and also you will have a fully tiles here, which a lot of space. You can have 1 2 3 4 shower heads here if you like to, or 4 shower control to use this particular bathroom or shower area, which is really good. I love it. And this particular area is gonna be your another linen closet, and you will have this his and her sink with quartz quartz countertop here with an extra middle powder area there that you can use if you need to. And this particular area is my one of a favorite as well, this walk-in closet. Look how big is this walk-in closet. You will have this one space, a walk-in closet here for your clothes or whatever you want to put here. You can actually put another bed here if you like to, which is a very good one. And this is gonna be your private toilet area, which will have an extra door there for you. Oh my god, this particular house here, it's a very good one. This is not a 55 plus community by itself, all right? However, this community has so much things to offer to you. As I promised, let me just show you the upcoming amenities coming here. And the amenities is coming here right now. They will have a pickleball courts, and also you will have like tennis court, you will have Bahama bar, a lawn, and also you will have a bike rack, you will have a resort pool, beach area, and you will have and also some walking park here that you can use. And this is gonna be a gated community as well. This particular area or this location is located at Kissimmee, Florida, which is in between Ponciana, Haines City, and this particular land here that they bought are very large that you can use a lot it. And living in this area, you don't need anything apart from having these beautiful amenities, because on this particular area you will have a lot of memories if you can start living in this area. All right, so this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful and you like it. If you stay in this video until this end, comment down below new home so I could see how many people who watch this video until this end. Thank you so much for your time watching my video, and I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for today. Don't forget to subscribe because we upload here once a week a video every Thursday at 3 p.m. I'm out for today. Peace. Bye.